bon?
Et voilà, on est sur le bord de la route là, avec notre papier à outils. Au pire, on dort là. Merde!
On décharge du YZ.
Là, oui, oh!
A galera começou a dançar e passou a menina mais linda. Com coragem, sempre que ça peut bien vous faire. Wow, 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 ce ne sont pas vos affaires. Non, 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 nous aussi on a une vie. La la la, les filles, la bière et les amis.
C'est dans la descente, je me demande vraiment comment ils font. Hein.
Allez, panneau de 7 secondes. Allez, le plus top départ de la mesure qui va s'extraire de cette
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I should be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took at me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the vein, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the pain. Let the bullets fly or let them rain. My love, my love, my time, it came from you. You made me a believer, above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, Return to the Mac, get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up, first shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, nope, y'all can't copy yet. Bad, moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music, I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on, let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back question. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country. Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's come up. Like your granddad, we're donating that black bucket up shirt. Cause right now I'm up in her skirt. I'm in the girl, you can find me in the I'm not stuck on searching in the section. Grammy, your auntie, your mama, your mammy. I'll take those flannel zebra jammies secondhand and rock that motherfucker. The built-in onesie with the socks on that motherfucker. I hit the party and they stop in that motherfucker. They be like, oh, that Gucci, that's hella tight. I'm like, yo, that's $50 for a t-shirt. Limited edition, let's do some simple edition. $50 for a t-shirt, that's just some nigga with bitch. I call that getting swindled and pimped. I call that getting picked by this. That shirt's hella dope. And having the same one as 6 other people in this club is a hella don't beat gang. Come and take a look through my telescope. Tryna get girls from a brand, man, you hella won't. Man, you hella won't.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. I'll wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. I'm in this big ass coat. I'll wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. I'm in this big ass coat. From that thrift shop down the road. I'm gonna pop some tags.
Ils vont pas les vendre. Allez Louis!
Awesome.
Is that your grandma's coat?
Je vais faire une machine en rentrant.
Shit, you turn
Yesterday we were brothers, so now we enemies. Understand I'm no longer, now make my time ain't free. Yesterday we were brothers, so now we enemies. Understand why you're here, yeah, you've been so greedy.
Oh non, il commence à pleuvoir de ouf là.
You don't know shit about how to stop the game. Not the same level, struggle, sacrifices, pain. Hey yo, ain't no question in the battle is the best. You better not.
Une journée terminée. Donc aujourd'hui c'était Chasteaux. Donc c'est la première course de l'année qui compte pas pour le championnat. Je fais 2 manches, pas la troisième parce que la troisième c'était trop tard. Je fais 28 à la première en partant 107. Deuxième je tombe 2 fois. Je termine 33. Donc ça ferait au général ça ferait 29-30. Donc là on a lavé la moto. Le linge est en train de se laver. Donc là on se mange une petite pizza en attendant le linge. Et j'oublie la chose la plus importante. Je remercie toute ma famille et tous mes copains et ma copine, sans qui sans eux ça aurait pas été possible. Je remercie également Riles pour m'avoir livré le maillot floqué sur place. Et aussi Trakoff, c'est la petite tenue que j'ai reçue aujourd'hui, enfin qu'on m'a ramené aujourd'hui. Du coup je vous montrerai ça dans une prochaine vidéo. Et voilà, merci à tous.